Good morning and welcome to virtual class. Day 3, subject social studies and topic is social evolution. And in previous class I have described you about social evolution, what is the meaning of social evolution, yes, and different stages which history of yes, early age, middle age and modern age, these all we have studied in previous class, yes. What is the meaning of social evolution? Social evolution means developed different stages and came to present stage. Yes, present stage means modern age. These all we have studied in previous class, and today we will discuss about feature of human society at savagery stage. Yes, in this stage means early age, preventive age, substance on fruits and roots. They eat in their early age, yes, fruits and roots. Invention of speech. They develop speech in that time. Yes, तिनीहरुले चाहिँ बोल्न सिके. Yes, तिनीहरुले चाहिँ यो चीजहरु खानु पर्छ भनेर चाहिँ सिके. In that time they invention, they find out. Yes, residing in caves and river banks. उनीहरु चाहिँ सेफ्टीले केमा बस्नु पर्छ र बैंक रिभरहरुको छेउमा नदीहरुको छेउमा बस्न थाले पानीको सुविधा भएको भएर यस forming small group, they sit in a group for their security and safety, fishing and using fire. छेउ खोलाको किनारमा बस्थे, माछाहरु मारेर खान्थे र त्यसलाई चाहिँ तिनीहरुले चाहिँ आगो युज गर्न थाले. They develop fire, rubbing to stone. Development of bows and arrows. तिनीहरुले चाहिँ एनिमल हन्टिङ गर्नको लागि चाहिँ bows and arrow पनि के गरे डेभलप गरे. They develop bows and arrow. Wearing animal skin and clothes. They develop early stage. They develop clothes also. Yes, skin animal skin. उनीहरुले चाहिँ जनावरहरुको स्किनहरु लगाउन थाले र कपडाहरु पनि के भयो डेभलप गरे तिनीहरुले. Yes, these all are the feature of early stage. Means primitive stage. And next is the feature of barbarian stage, means middle age. बिचको period कस्तो थियो त? What are the feature in that period? What they develop at that time? They तिनीहरुले त्यो समयमा चाहिँ domestic animalहरु घरमा पाल्न थाले. Yes, these all are the features of women's society at barbarian stage, means middle stage. Yes, permanent residence in the stone and brick houses. तिनीहरुले पर्मानेन्ट घर बनाएर आफुलाई सेफ्टी फिल गरेर चाहिँ इटा र ढुङ्गाले बनेका घर बनाउन थाले र बस्न थाले. त्यो चाहिँ यो फिचर चाहिँ बार्बेरियन मिडल एजमा चाहिँ यति डेभलप भयो. एन्ड नेक्स्ट डेभलपमेन्ट अफ आर्ट्स अफ पोएट्री. त्यतिखेर चाहिँ हामीले मिडल एजमा हामीले पढेको थियो आर्ट एन्ड क्राफ्टहरु चाहिँ डेभलप गरे तिनीहरुले. यस, दे डेभलप आर्ट एन्ड क्राफ्ट इन दैट पीरियड. डोमेस्टिकेसन अफ एनिमल्स. घरमा जनावरहरु पाल्न थाले. They feel that we should get animal, yes, for cultivation, for other purpose, and they use these things. Civilization of land by irrigating. Yes, sorry, cultivation of land by irrigating. In middle age, they cultivated land. Yes, they grow crops for their needs, for their survival. Yes, use of iron tools and weapons for cultivation. They use iron and weapons. कुटो कोदालोहरु तिनीहरुले चाहिँ त्यो मिडल एजमा युज गर्न थाले. त्यतिखेर डेभलप भयो. के डेभलप भयो? टुल्स एन्ड वेपन. डेभलपमेन्ट अफ ल्याङ्ग्वेज, आर्ट एन्ड kinship. Next, they develop language, mother language, yes, art and kinship. Kinship means blood relation. तिनीहरुमा पनि त्यो सम्बन्ध बढ्न थाल्यो. They feel that they have relation with each other. And language, they speak their own language. त्यसपछि तिनीहरुले आफ्नो ल्याङ्ग्वेज पनि स्पिच गर्न थाले, बोल्न थाले. तिनीहरु आफ्नो पहिचान बनाउन थाले. faith in divine power of God and performance of funeral rites. They believe in God. उनीहरूले चाहिँ भगवानमाथि विश्वास राख्न थाले. तिनीहरूले चाहिँ आफ्नो राइट्स एन्ड रिचुअलहरू चाहिँ परम्पराहरू चाहिँ मान्न थाले. तिनीहरूले भगवानप्रति ध्यान दिन थाले. यस इन देयर पिरियड दिस ऑल थिंग्स आर डेभलप. त्यो मिडल एजमा चाहिँ यो कुराहरू चाहिँ डेभलप भयो. नेक्स्ट feature of human society at civilization stage. Civilization stage means modern age. Invention of phonetic alphabets and writing. त्यसपछि पढाइ लेखाइको कुरा आयो, अल्फाबेट्सहरु आयो, लेख्ने पढ्ने दिन आयो. त्यसपछि मोडर्न एज भनेको हाम्रो एज हो. अहिले हामी लेख्ने पढ्ने यस all thing is possible in this age. Yes, in modern age. The climax stage of socio-cultural development of human beings. In modern age, society developed, fully developed society. Yes, human beings. We are human beings and we are developed. We are educated. Yes, this is modern age. You modern age. यसमा चाहिँ पुरा क्लाइमेक्स थाहा छ हामीलाई. हाम्रो पुरा हिस्ट्री हामीलाई थाहा छ. Yes, about our forefather, middle age, and now we are in present age. हामी सबै थाहा छ नि, हामीले सबै कुरा थाहा छ. And development of language, art, literature, music, social instruments, etc. अनि हामी बिहाहरू गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ आफ्नो कल्चरल अनुसारले हामी गर्छौं. यस, हाम्रो जुन यो सोशल इन्स्टिट्युसनहरु हुन्छ त्यो चीज युज गर्छौं. हामीले कुनै सेलिब्रेसनहरुमा हामीले सोसाइटीको केयर गर्दै हाम्रो परम्परालाई राख्दै. यस, आवर ट्रेडिसन कल्चर फलो म्युजिक. अहिले हामी मोडर्न एजमा छौं र यो सब चीज हामीसँग छ. आवर मदर ल्याङ्ग्वेज. यस, वी नो आर्ट एन्ड क्राफ्ट, लिटरेचर, म्युजिक, दिस ऑल थिंग्स वी नो. हामीलाई म्युजिकसँग अहिले हामी धेरै कमै व्यक्ति छौं जसले हामी म्युजिक सुन्दैन होला, हैन भने all are music lover. Modernization in agriculture. अहिले एग्रिकल्चर सबै अब धानको सिजन छ, धान रोप्ने सिजन छ, मान्छे चाहिदैन. देयर इज मेसिन. यस, मेसिन आइसकेको छ र धान यति सजिलोले रोप्छ, यति फास्ट रोप्छ नि कि हामी 50 जनाले काम गर्ने एउटा सिंगल मेसिनले काम गर्छ. काट्नलाई मान्छे चाहिदैन, मेसिनले काट्छ. यतिसम्म डेभलप भइसकेको छ. यस, and next is development of industries, trade, transportation, education, communication. Today is technology world. Yes, technology world is modern age, civilization stage. Yes, and today industries in our country, Nepal, every parts of this country there are industries, established of industries. Transportation, trade means business. अहिले हामी सबै यति बिजी छौं बिजनेसमा. हामीसँग ट्रान्सपोर्टेसन फ्यासिलिटी छ. पहिला एक ठाउँदेखि अर्को ठाउँ जान हामीलाई घण्टौं समय लाग्थ्यो भने अहिले हामीसँग ट्रान्सपोर्टेसन फ्यासिलिटी छ. Within half an hour, 1 hour, yes, we can move from here and there. Education. This is very important words in our life. We are achieving education, knowledge. Yes, this is also education, knowledge which are learning here through online, through internet. We are connecting with each other. And communication means to connect with each other. हामीले अहिले पनि कम्युनिकेट गरिरहेको छौं. हामी फिजिकली भेट्न गएको छैन, but we are in touch. How? Communication, online communication, through internet, through mobile phone. Yes, these all are the features of civilization stage, modern age, science and technology age. Nothing is possible in this age. अहिलेको यो एजमा चाहिँ के चीज इम्पोसिबल छैन. हामीले चाहे हरेक कुरा गर्न सक्छौं. Yes, if we think that we can do, then we do that work. Yes, technology work, and it makes our life easy, comfortable, yes, meaningful. So these all are the features and characteristics of civilization stage. I am going to give you some work, and please complete your work and so in time. Okay, this is your work. Yes, please complete this question and answer, write in your copy. Yes, with the help of your book. सबैसँग बुक छ होला. यस, मैले यहाँ सबै बुझाए फीचर अफ दिस भनेर, राइट डिफरेंट बिट्विन दिस. यस, these all I taught you in previous class also, and today also I teach you. Yes, write in your copy. Okay, and thank you.